Hello? Your mommy's calling you.
That's what we get in America. Emergency alert.
National Weather Service. Snow squall warning until 4:30 p.m. Est. Slow down or delay travel. Be ready for a sudden drop to near zero visibility and icy roads
Whoa.
and heavy snow.
I also got an emergency alert. It's coming! It's coming! Good morning, everybody from America. And look at where the sun is hiding. Today is Friday, the 3rd of January, and the time now is 11:20 in the morning. We are expecting to get some snow. Look where the sun is hiding. It's very, very cloudy out here today. We are expecting just about 1 centimeter of snow today, and it will only be snowing for about 2 hours, I think. Sorry, but for now it's Friday morning, so we need to go to the grocery store to get some food supplies. I think today I'm going to make some soup. I want to see on the camera. Last night when I was sitting, I come sit out here in the night time, and then I saw a deer running there. They are big and fat. Big and fat. This is good morning from America, guys. This is in the backyard, in the woods. It's beautiful here in the summer, and I will show you guys how beautiful it gets when the trees are full of leaves in the summertime. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. It is free, guys. And for those of you who think that we get paid if you subscribe to our channels, we do not get paid if you guys subscribe to our YouTube channels. We get paid from YouTube by people actually watching our videos, not from people subscribing. Or it doesn't mean if you have 100,000 or 1,000,000 subscribers on your channel and you've got like 10 or 20 views, you don't get paid that much. You will get cents. So for now, I'm checking to see if there's any mail. There's no mail. Mailman will come later. This is how quiet it is here. So subscribe to the channel, and giving the video a like is just to send out the video into the YouTube algorithm so that more people can find the video. And also, if you leave a comment down below in the comment section, it is just engaging in the video, and YouTube will even push the video out more into the algorithm. So we do not get paid if you subscribe. We do not get paid if you like the video, and we do not get paid if you comment on our videos. We do get paid if you watch the videos, yes, but not from you. YouTube will pay us through the YouTube ads. The ads that is always playing on the videos, guys, that is what pays us as YouTube creators. It does not come from your pockets. There is the post, the mailman going. So he will first deliver on that side if there's any mail, and then he will turn around and deliver on this side. So hopefully it snows soon, and I'm gonna show you. It will be my daughter's first experience in the snow. I'm very excited for her. Very excited for her. We are now at Nazi's Halal restaurant, and they got delicious food. Look at the menu. Look at the, oh, it's so delicious. Really, really. We did have the Polish cheesesteak already, and it is really worth it. So we just finished now with grocery shopping at Costco and at Safeway. So we're getting something to eat for lunch at home, and that is the parking. So where about is this in Waldorf?
No, this is in Clinton.
In Clinton. So this halal place is called Nazi's, and it is situated in Clinton. Like right opposite there is Panda Express, the GameStop. Baklava is very delicious. It's sweet. Yeah, it's very delicious. You should
have
just.
like baklava cheesecake and baklava, banana pudding, pecan pie, sweet potato pie.
Oh, do you want to try? Do you want to try the baklava? It's delicious.
I didn't try it here because I'm just near here, but I will try it.
Yeah.
But I've heard really good reviews about baklava.
Yeah, it is. It's a Turkish
Yeah, it's
delicacy.
traditional.
Yeah, yeah,
Traditional.
yeah. It's a Turkish tradition. Delicious.
Which one do you want to try? The cheesecake or one of these?
You wanna try
baklava cheesecake, and this is
the traditional? No, take the baklava.
Yeah, baklava.
Let me show you guys what it looks like. And that is the lamb, chicken, rice, and a salad. Let me show you what it looks like here from the outside. In case you are here, you can find it. See, able to. It's Pitco, and Nazi's Halal is next to the mattress firm. So that's where you can find it. Open late night. So if I come next time, I want to try this.
Let's try it. Baklava.
It's delicious. It's sweet. You would like that as a dessert.
It's different.
Yeah, I haven't tasted anything like this before.
It's better to eat with your hands. Fork doesn't really break it apart like that.
Okay.
That makes me curious about the cheesecake.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. It could taste better,
Mm.
but it is delicious. Sweet. Baklava is from Turkey.
Where's $3?
Mm-hmm.
No, I haven't tried it yet, so that's why I'm asking.
No,
You
it's
must try.
delicious. I like it. It's different.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like dried fruit and honey, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of sticky.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's like caramel or honey, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
No, I really like it. It's very good.
She's from Pakistan. And there's nuts also in. Nuts.
So you have already had your dessert before food.
Yeah.
Other way around. People usually have dessert after.
After.
But it's good. Sweet tooth, never know to sweet tooth.
Yeah, you can have anytime.
Yeah, anytime.
Especially ice cream. I love ice cream. Even if it's snowy outside, I eat ice cream.
Same, I love it.
So sweet. Mm.
They were saying the snow will start this weekend, maybe, I don't know when the snow
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, they already have the trucks preparing the snow for the ground.
So it snows in Maryland.
Yeah.
Every year?
Not every year.
Not every year.
Yeah.
I feel
10 years ago, it used to snow a lot. Now, maybe we'll get one good storm the whole season.
it will be like no snow for 2 months.
Yeah.
No snow for 2 months. I'm
Yeah.
so excited.
You will see tonight. And maybe in during the week also it will snow. But not too much. Only a little bit. But it will be good. Also me in South Africa, it don't snow there where I live in Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Yeah. So we don't get a lot of snow.
Same, like even in Pakistan, where I live, in Lahore, it doesn't snow.
No.
It's the southern area.
Mm.
But in Pakistan, the northern area, it snows.
Okay.
The mountains area.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's like really at the top north side, it snows.
Okay.
But where I live, it's southern area, so it doesn't snow. It's with like 50 temperature sometimes. goes
Wow.
to-
Hot.
Yeah, it's really hot.
How long are you here in America now?
Last month,
You come last month. Wow.
we just went for a job for like 1 week.
Mm. Oh, nice. Me, I go home again soon.
So
I only here for visit.
you here for how much time?
1 month.
You were here for 1 month?
I go home, but I will come again next year. I will live here.
So every year you come here.
Yeah, I come visit.
That's nice. You're hosting her?
Hmm?
You're hosting her? Here?
Yes.
You're from USA.
Yes.
Yes.
That's nice.
Mm. But sometime this year I will come live here. Then I don't go back home again.
Yeah, it's good you came at the right time, like New Year time.
Yeah.
For winters.
Yes.
You came at the right time.
Yes, because now back home by me it is summertime.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's summers in Africa right now.
Yes. She's very nice, huh? Is that all
You
food?
can take your 2 can of sodas of your choice.
I'll just have a Coke.
You want a Coke?
Yeah.
You want to try a cherry Coke?
What is that other flavor?
You choose any can soda.
Pineapple and
okay.
orange.
Soda, water, sparkling,
No, let me just have a Coke.
lemonade, Coke. Dream soda. Root beer.
Well, let's try pineapple because we got a lot of Cokes at home.
I don't know.
Mhm.
Get it. You can get that.
So we are not going to eat here. We will eat at home. We will take our food.
Oh, thank you.
Our food is ready, guys. Let's go. Thank you. Bye. And that's our food for lunch for today. And when I get home now, I'm going to make us some nice soup, warm soup. Look at the weather in the sky. The storm is coming. I want to show you guys. Can we just drive past the trucks there again?
Yeah, we gotta go that way.
I want to show them how the trucks is getting ready for the snowstorm. Going home. It's cold, guys. It's cold. Let me put my seatbelt on quickly. Very nice lady from Pakistan. Come to Nazi's. Hello. What do you call it? Restaurant.
Everyone's worried about the storm. That's why there's so much traffic everywhere.
We actually found out now by them where we can buy our meat. Our meat. I don't know if you can see, there's a truck over there. Really? I don't know how to zoom in with this camera. I need to YouTube a few videos, and there's another truck. And it's starting to rain, guys. That's a good sign. We're getting snow. After this rain comes snow. Woohoo. I'm excited for this, dear. I am excited for my daughter to experience this. People are driving all over the place. You guys should have seen how full it was now at Costco. People are panicking here. You see that truck? It's a salt truck. You see all the salt on top there? They put salt in the road for the ice to melt. See it? It's something different for us. We don't see things like this in Cape Town or in South Africa. So now we're patiently waiting for the snow. So we just got home in the grocery store. Grilled chicken also. No make chicken soup. This is the Nazi's food. Yeah. Fries. Oh, it's a lot of fries. And these are the Philly cheesesteaks. Show you guys what it looks like. Oh, they cut it in half. They cut it in half. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like home. It smells like home. That is what it looks like. Oh, steak and cheese in there. Oh, I'm gonna make me a steak roll with my chips in there. We are making our own chip roll.
Chip roll.
Steak chip roll.
Chippy roll. Chippy roll.
Because there's chips on it, it's a roll.
What did you make?
I made a chippy roll.
A Gatsby.
Put more fries in.
Eh?
More fries.
Hmm? No
That's
more.
why I got
No
more.
more.
Must be loaded with fries. You cannot count how many fries goes in there.
Yeah, I count.
And then some sauce. Mmm. Americans don't know this one. Mmm. Oh,
Big chop, yo.
Philly cheesesteak.
Why don't you flip it around and then you hold it like that? Then you can just hold it like that, like yeah. What you pointing at that?
Your food.
There we go. Napkin for you, love.
Thank
First,
you.
yeah.
Yeah, it's dirty business.
Dirty business.
You have to eat it with your hand. There's no other way to eat it.
Yo, of course, it's a sub. You eat all subs with your hand.
It's not a sub.
This is messy, yo.
Das is een sap. Dat is hulle noem die sap. Dat ook, dat is een sap.
They call this a Philly cheesesteak.
Wat do you call it? Philly cheesesteak sap.
It's a type of sub. A Philly cheesesteak is a type of sub.
Wat zei van mij voor een gat.
Vlak.
Just like how Karambuk is a type of leg soup.
Me eat. How is the cat's taste? How does it taste with the fries on?
It's okay.
Did you,
I took the fries back off. I
did you
don't
take
like
it back off? You don't like it.
Oh my god.
Maybe it has a Gatsby.
Yeah,
But
because
this is a Philly cheesesteak. It needs to taste like a Philly cheesesteak. not
yeah,
a
because
Philly
this is
cheesesteak with
and this is
chips.
not like hand cut potatoes. This is, you can see, this is that frozen fries that
Yeah.
you. It must be hand cut, but to me it's delicious.
So if you like it, it's fine.
Your mommy's calling you.
And that's what we get in America. Emergency
National
alert.
Weather Service. Snow school warning until 4:30 p.m. Est. Slow down or delay travel. Be ready for a sudden drop to near zero visibility and icy roads
Whoa.
and heavy snow.
I also got an emergency alert. First time I get something like this on my phone. Oh, can you see there all the vouchers? It's flying away. Oh. Oh. And I just took my phone out now. Oh. Your mom okay?
Yeah, she was just asking about the weather alert.
Oh, she also got the alert. Yeah, it's coming. Can you see? It's coming. Look, look, look. It's coming.
Hurricane Katrina.
I also want to put my jacket. Oh. I want to go get my jacket. Oh, look how dark it's getting. Quick now.
That's why it was getting dark.
I'm so excited.
Everybody's driving here because I want to get home quickly.
Yeah. First time I also got the emergency alert on my phone.
Yeah, it's most everyone
Who's in the area. Let me go take
I
my
bet your other
jacket.
phone also got it.
Look at them out there. Waiting for the snow. Temperatures up. Heavily dropping. It's coming! It's coming!
You want a bigger drink?
Oh my goodness! It's coming!
It was falling now.
Yes, it is still falling. You don't want to record?
You can put that on me. Because then
Oh
you put
my!
that. Mommy, I'm not gonna get record.
Oh, look there! Oh! Oh my god! I'm telling you, record. It's snowing! Oh! It's snowing! Woohoo! It's snowing! Look there! You are currently receiving emergency alerts. Would you like to continue? Yes. It's snowing. Hoo-hoo. Oh, my phone is getting wet. Throwing salt.
It's snowing. Oh my god.
It's snowing. Ik ga live op TikTok nog maken. Ik ga live op TikTok maken op TikTok. It's snowing.
Are you using our internet?
Woohoo! Ah! This is mostly ice. Oh my goodness, my phone is getting wet. It's raining snow, salt, 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 salt. Woohoo!
Wat doen hij nou?
Omdat die snow niet kan stakken.
Dat is nat.
Snowing. Come. Let's start by the back door. Woohoo. Let's start by the back door. We'll see. She's moving on the deck. Up and down. Wipe your feet. Yes. Oh!
Here, feel it in your hands. Here. The snow
It's ice.
really easy.
Is it so?
This thing is waterproof, na? The GoPro is waterproof, na? Oh!
Let me get the salt for here. I should have put the salt here too. I didn't know it was going to snow so fast.
Yeah, it's like a storm.
Look at this. We got the warning right before the snow happened.
Dus ja, als je een video maakt, record het, hou die phone zo. Ja, voor TikTok.
Like this.
Nou, voor TikTok.
Like this.
Yes.
Yeah, I was gonna hold it.
Oh, this is what we came for. This is what we came for. Who's that?
No one.
Is mommy in the live?
Yes, there's no one. Mommy?
Definitely enjoy
Laat
it.
iemand ook in the live. You think it's still gonna work?
I hope so.
Yeah, my phone's getting wet.
Ja, maar die ook zo. Oh! Oh my god!
Yo, for real? Are you Josh?
Holy crap!
It's a lightning snowstorm?
A lightning. That's why we got a weather alert. Look at all the cars already. That's why only lasts for 2 hours, guys. Only 2 hours.
You thought it's yours covered up so fast?
Man, is your Oma in the light, mommy?
You must call.
I did call. I told them to come to the live.
Where you going to stop people?
Is mommy in the live? Request the box here. Dan kan ik mommy in. Dan gaan we naar de straat. Oh. Oh. I didn't know Paya go. Huh?
Well, you got the snow.
Yes. Very quickly.
This is only the beginning. Wait till Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
You might get 6 to 8 inches.
Whoa.
Yeah. Never seen this before, huh?
No. It's our first time.
Well,
It came down very fast.
it's only not fun when you lose power.
Did you hear the thunder now?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a lightning.
Huh?
There was a lightning
You
bolt.
got gloves.
Lightning
We
bolt.
don't have
Yeah.
Come
Oh,
here,
yeah,
look at
lightning.
it.
It can happen.
Can you give me a tissue, please, or paper
Yep.
towel? I want to wet this down.
Huh?
A tissue or paper towel for me or something?
Yeah. Well, this may be.
I got on shoes. I was in mommy and this. Now when I'm done, it's my shoes. It's got cold in the snow. You guys think it's all nice and happy. It is nice and happy. But it's very cold. It's very cold. My hands are full of ice flakes. Look how it looks now.
It's getting wet.
Look at that.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Did you call me?
Guess what?
No! No, what's wrong with you?
Here. The snow comes really easily.
Is it soft? Oh my god.
Waterproof. Waterproof.
Oh, you know what? Let me get the salt for here. I should have put the salt there too. I didn't know there was salt up there.
Yeah, it's like a storm.
Look at this. We got a warning before, right before the snow happened.
Yeah, als je video maakt, record het, hou die phone zo. Ja, op TikTok.
Like this.
Nou, op TikTok.
Like this.
Yes.
Yeah, I was not holding it like that. Wait, look at it. Oh, the snow, look at the snow. Look at the snow, Mommy.
Definitely enjoy it while it's
Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so freaking beautiful. Woohoo. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. You see? What does it do if you throw salt? Then the snow don't stick. I found my phone home. Pick it up. Achterkant.
We must go in here for some towels.
The door, I locked the door there. I just want to show them. It's not from the trees, it's still snowing. still snowing. Look how beautiful it is. It's a snow. You're tapping on the snow. Oh, we're gonna make a snowman. Yeah, we must get closer to the camera. Oh. Let's make a big one. Wait. The shuffle. Woohoo! Like the biggest snowman I've ever seen. Oh!
Yo! I think my hands are cold because I'm touching the snow.
Yes. Pulo parang na ano outfit.
Doesn't it shovel?
Take off the gloves, man. You're making the gloves wet. That's why. It is. Take off the gloves. You can make it gloves up here. My hands are warm. I can't see. You must know. Oh, look here. So cold.
Kijk, waar zit ik niet op?
Yeah. Oh. I think we should give up on the snowman thing.
Cool.
We're gonna try again. No. I'm saying.
We must make 3. Because it's a normal.
Another ball. Let's make the ball here this side. And then you put it on top. Look at this side.
How are we going to put it up? What's it going
Yo.
Maak het grotere. Maak het grotere.
Van die wortels achter. Die wortels. Let me take it closer. Ooh. Oh, my hands is cold. Oh, Hannah's got a nose. And what is that on his head?
Another nose.
Oh, warang. Oh, hopefully it will still be there in the morning. Come, let's go in. That's it, guys. Sunday and Monday is gonna snow again. And maybe I'm going to record it. Yeah, there's snowflakes coming down again.
It's from the trees.
Oh, it's from the trees. The wind is blowing it from the trees.
Look there.
Ah, it's not that deep. It's not that deep. It's gonna snow more on Sunday and Monday. 3 inches now.
3 to 6.
Put the sun there, we must go in again by the basement.
3 to 6.
See the wind is blowing the snowflakes
Let's go in that side.
from the trees.
Upstairs because there's a towel.
Put that there. I see you guys next time. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's free to subscribe.